Hi guys, I'm your English teacher, Luke. So, you've probably heard native English speakers on TV or in real life use the words wanna and gonna frequently. But how can you use them correctly? Well, the first thing you need to know is that these expressions are extremely common in informal spoken English in America and in Britain. They're common in spoken English, but they are not used in written English, unless it's something like a text message to a friend. Normally, when you're writing, you should use their extended form, want to and go into. Gonna is a form of be going to, and it's used for future plans or future predictions. There are two big mistakes students often make with gonna. The first one is forgetting to use the be verb. Some students say, I gonna watch a film. He gonna come home late. We gonna have a coffee. These are wrong because gonna needs the be verb. Just like this. I'm gonna watch a film. He's gonna come home. We're gonna have a coffee. The second mistake is forgetting that gonna is always followed by a verb in its bare infinitive form. So, I'm gonna to the cinema or I'm gonna the laundry. These sentences are not correct because there's no verb. Instead, say, I'm gonna go to the cinema. I'm gonna do the laundry. So, don't forget the verb. Wanna means want to. It's used in the same way as want to when the pronoun is I, you, we, or they. So, I wanna have a pizza for dinner. You don't wanna go home. We wanna take a break. They wanna finish early today. This is easy. But wanna cannot be used when the pronoun is he, she, it, or when you use a name. Why not? Because of the third person singular, the S at the end of verbs. So, he wanna leave early? That's wrong. He wants to leave early. And notice, the pronunciation of wants to is wants to. Wants to. He wants to leave early. Some more examples. She wants to have a big cup of coffee. It wants to go home. Alex wants to go on holiday. Okay, to wrap up, gonna is a form of be going to and it's used for future plans and predictions. When you're using gonna, don't forget the be verb and remember gonna is always followed by a verb in its bare infinitive form. Wanna means want to and it's used when the pronouns are I, you, we, and they. You can't use wanna with the pronouns he, she, it, or someone's name. In this case, you have to say wants to. Okay, that's it from me today. I hope this was helpful. Cheers and have a good day.